2026 is crazy for budget cameras. You don't need $800 to create amazing content anymore. Here are the top affordable cameras that creators are buying right now. Top cheap cameras to buy in 2026. Let's find the best budget cameras you can actually buy right now, perfect for travel, vlogging, and everyday use without spending big. First up, the Y3000 mirrorless digital camera. A super budget mirrorless for beginners, great for fun shots and learning basics. DC60 portable HD pixel camera, tiny, easy to use, travels with you, decent zoom and basic video recording, pocket-friendly and perfect for quick travel footage without breaking the bank. Promage 4K 16x digital camera, shoots 4K and snaps great photos, 48MP sensor for photo quality shots, good balance of zoom and features. A surprising 4K powerhouse on a budget, great for beginners and vloggers alike. 4K digital camera with rotate screen and macro function, ideal for vlogs and selfies. Handy macro mode plus basic 4K, ideal entry vlogger camera. Perfect for vlogging and selfies thanks to its rotating screen. The Kodak Pixpro FZ55 is a compact, 16-megapixel digital camera designed for ease of use, featuring a 5x optical zoom, 28mm wide-angle lens, and 108op Full HD video recording. Priced around $170, it is a popular, lightweight 106 grams point and shoot option for everyday photography and social media content. Lumos Evoke digital camera, a solid around rated pick. Great budget all-rounder for photos, video. Highly rated and affordable, easy-to-use digital camera. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive camera, it's about starting. So pick one, start creating, and I'll see you in the next video.